Hayi ngibingelele. Namhlanje ngifuna ngishare umqondo wami nje. Nalabantu abaku-MK. Vis-a-vis abantu abangamanye amaqembu. Ngizokubeka kube sobala nje ukuthi mina u-ANC kodwa nginenkinga yokuthi kunabantu all of a sudden ngoba basayona i-ANC manje sebehambe bekholelwa noma behambe bekhuluma amanga as if like history ayibhaliwe, bese uthi mawusowuqala ubabuza noma uphikisa amanga labawashoyo bathi ukhokheliwe, uyabenefita noma unesikhundla ku-ANC. Ubona ukuthi nje yonke leyo nto ikhombisa ukuthi hayi shukuthi labantu amanga bakholela kakhulu kuona, and mawuphikisana nabo bayakuthuka. Namanje ngiyazi ukuthi bayike yafikela kwabanye abantu ngizothukeka nje, kodwa ke ngifuna unitshela ukuthi asinandaba, sizoloko sinitshela nje ngoba iningi lenu aniyazi history. Angisho ukuthi nami ngiyazi ngalendlela, kodwa lokho engeke ngahlangana nako ngakufunda, ngeke ngikuvumela omunye umuntu ahambe ekhuluma amanga distort information. Kukhona isibonelo nje esisho ukuthi abanye bayaphika ukuthi le MK party ilethe confusion ku history MK ekuyiyona esiyazi yasekwa ngo-1961. So kunabantu bazoloko beqamba amanga besituzuma was part of umkhonto wesizwe back then. UMzuma zangalide umkhonto wesizwe, zangalide, akaza bengxanye. Yes, waye Robben Island wahlala for 10 years, kodwa akaza awulide umkhonto wesizwe, akaze nje abe chief of staff. So musana uhambe niqamba amanga nisenze ngazuthi yonke into eyenziwa nguZuma ke i-right, eyenziwa abanye abantu i-wrong. Asisho futhi ukuthi khona perfect, but nje ihistory encane kunabantu abakhohlwayo ukuthi i-ANC ibiloku idecline from 1994 yaze yazofika manje. Iloku idecline nje, each president ephumayo kune decline. Isplinter ke sokuqala ke siqalile sisibona esinye senzeka, kungena uHolomisa neqembu lakhe, kwaphinda futhi ngabo 99 kanje. So isplinter sasenzeka kusekhona noMandela, saphinda isplinter sesibini sisibonile senzeke kuphuma uMbeki kuzongena uZuma, kwavuka iCope emva kokuba kwakuyi-UDM. Angeke ngisibale isplinter esenzeka, abanye sake saxabana la ku TikTok bangithuka besithi ilokhunja iPAC ya splinter ku-ANC ngoba kanjani. Kodwa ngibatshela ukuthi basplintiswa i-ideological agreement, ukuthi abanye babekhuluma indaba yomhlaba, abanye babekhuluma indaba yokukhululwa kwabantu, bekhuluma pan-Africanism. Kodwa ke i-discussion for another day. Then kube khona ke lesi splinter seCope. Isplinter seCope silandelwe ke sisplinter esizalwe ukuthi after uZuma yena lo exoshe oMalema naboShivambu laba ebaxoshela ukuthi beresolvile ku-economic freedom in a lifetime as a resolution ye-Youth League ka-2011 Congress. It is there even in YouTube. Floyd Shivambu explains it very clearly with the resolution that are attached with the expropriation of land without compensation, nationalization of mines, also nationalization of reserve bank and so forth. Kuningi abakubalile lapha beyintsha, but they were disbanded ba-aphila yena uMalema noShivambu. After that badinawa bona bangavunyela ukuthi ama-aphilo wabo athini a-uplift, ba-dissolve nje. After that kwavuka ke EFF ngo-2013 i-July movement yabo. So up until this far there has been a downfall of a number of people participating in supporting ANC. So if you are saying now ANC are better because of Cyril, kuningi esingakusho singakubala ngoZuma kwenzile ku wrong, including killing, political killings zikhuphuke kakhulu kulidwa uZuma, particularly in KZN. But inkinga yenu anifuni ukutshela amaqiniso, futhi into esho nguZuma right, esho ngomunye umuntu noma esho ngomunye umuntu okwelinye iqembu wrong. So we cannot agree all the time with you man Qamamanga. Nihamba nipraise kumkhulu wenu ngoba nikholelwa kuyena, bese sinitshela ukuthi sizovuma manga thina. Iqiniso silazi phela, sithina sabanye siyalazi iqiniso, ingakho ke sohlezi seniphikisa, kodwa qhubekane ke nisithuke, ayikho inkinga bafethu.